the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever wanna be king? I hear Jerusalem bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Mirror, mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, I know St. Peter won't call my name ever alone this word, but that was when I ruled the world. That was when I ruled the world.
What a waste of time, the thought crossed my mind, but I never missed a beat. Can't explain the who or what I was trying to believe. What did you do? What would you do? Do you know? I once had a grip on everything. It feels better to let go. I'm not over. I'm not over. You just said, can I hide it? You're not that easy to forget. I'm not over. Never took the chance, could have jumped the fence. I was scared of my own 2 feet. Could have crossed the line.
Where were you guys?
Thanks for the fun game. That was really fun, guys.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. You did. It was really fair and all. I think no one hit. That would be really unfair. That just sucks, wouldn't it? Okay, there's one. Good game, guys. Good game.
Where'd you guys go?
Yeah, we went like behind the map like 8 times.
Dude,
Oh,
how
that's
do you
do that?
show us how to do that?
I don't know, we can. It's a secret ninja skill, dude. Alright. Alright. They're like jumping
10
off the
seconds
edge,
remaining.
like shooting stuff. He's like trying to go through the lift at you. Good game, guys. Good game. Oh my god. No mic.